today's Google My Business SEO short, I want to go ahead and cover the 10 most important elements when ranking a Google My Business listing. So, number 1 is definitely proximity. These are in no particular order. Number 2 is the search intent. Number 3 is the category that you're in. Also, the competition amount is number 4. Number 5, is there a keyword in your business name? Number 6, do you have premium paid citations? Number 7 is the site echo. Do you mirror the website that you're working with? Number 8, brand searches. Are people looking for you? Number 9 is the age of the listing. And number 10 is going to be the accounts trust, which is accrued over time, also has a lot to do with the category. But in any case, if you'd like me to go ahead and dissect this even more, break down section by section and take my time, not in a short, let me know below. I'm going to do it anyway. My name's Chris Palmer. If you have questions, ask below, and I'll see you in the next video. I'll see you then.